TGIF, happy Friday, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Today's video is going to be big, huge, well-known companies with high-paying positions. We've got like Levi Strauss. We've got the J.M Smucker Company, the one that makes all the jams, jellies, and the Uncrustables. We've got John Deere, Cash App. So no smaller startup companies in today's video. Now, I try to gear my channel towards helping as many people as I possibly can try to live their best work from home life, balanced life, by helping you find the best remote work from home jobs. And so I try to always mix up things on this channel. Some days I share customer service jobs for those people who do want to be on the phone. Sometimes I share jobs that require a little bit less experience, but also pay on the lower end. And then sometimes I try to share some jobs that require more skills or more education that are higher paying, because there's a wide variety of you watching this channel and a wide variety of what you're looking for. But as always, if there's something specific that you're looking for, you can always leave that in the comments below. I do try to read those and keep a running list and mix things up as best I can so I get a little bit of something for everyone out there. But of course, timestamps, links to these pages, any additional information you need is down there in the YouTube description box below this video. I do just ask that if you enjoy anything that I share, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. But without wasting any more time on this beautiful Friday morning, first up we have Levi Strauss Company hiring. They have 3,900 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They're looking for a manager for their U.S. app and loyalty program. Now, this is remote for the United States. And so they are really looking for somebody to manage that shopper loyalty program both in the US and Canada. So you're going to implement go-to-market loyalty plans, managing a multi-year roadmap for the rollout and developing benefit offerings for this loyalty program. And you're going to help develop Levi's mobile app strategy as well. So you're just delivering a go-to-market plan. So you are coming up with the actual plan. You're going to help build guidelines, frameworks, calendars, processes, and workflows for all of the channels between the brand, commercial, and digital partner products. Creating and managing the program's P&L, just defining the overall loyalty program goals, and partner with the analytics team to help create real-time reporting and see how these loyalty programs are going once you roll them out. So you're also going to help partner with kind of the digital product teams to help ensure new program features and functionality are rolled out in the app and are working, making sure you have on-time delivery. And best thing about this job, besides the pay, is that it doesn't require any kind of college degree. They just want somebody who has 7 years or more experience in some kind of consumer engagement or retention, somebody who can work with the reports, who is very analytical, who can analyze and draw conclusions from a broad set of data. You're comfortable working with data teams, and somebody who has like project management skills, because you're really going to be a project manager basically in this app role and loyalty program. Pay starts at $96,600 a year, goes up to $146,200 a year, of course, depending on your experience and things like that. Now, next up, we have the J.M Smucker Company. Leave down below in the comments, what is your favorite Smuckers or Smucker product? Is it just the jams, jellies? Do you like the Uncrustables? Do your kids like the Uncrustables? My kids, when they were younger, loved the Uncrustables. But anyways, J.M has 1,100 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They're looking for an analyst for their data quality. Now, of course, this is fully remote as long as you are in the United States. but they are looking for somebody to help them with their data processes and them making sure that they have processes in place to get quality data. So you're really collaborating with people throughout the organization to help identify opportunities for leveraging data and analytics to drive business outcomes. So maybe you know of a place in the business that they are not currently using data, that they can collect some data and use it to make better business decisions. You're really defining and maintaining data models that represent core objectives of their businesses and their business relationships, just helping resolve anything that comes up. Now, since you're going to be doing a lot of data, you are going to be reviewing this data, validating it, making sure that it is correct and error-free, and making sure that the data catalog is enriched to ensure common understanding of all of the data assets for the data warehouse tables. So in their basically system of database, you're going to make sure that the report system, the database that holds all of this data, is functioning correctly too, making sure that you can manipulate and transform the data as needed. So you're going to have to know how to run queries and things like that. SQL comes to my mind when I think of all of this data projects like this, but you're just really designing and executing the fundamental analytics so that you can kind of help read the data, show the trends, and help people make business decisions. Now, this one does require a bachelor degree and 2 years of some kind of experience in data or information technology, someone who is very analytical, of course, somebody who can define and own the responsibility for managing things, so you can kind of really be a self-starter, somebody who can manage multiple projects at the same time, so a multitasker. And sadly, with this one, they did not list pay in the job description. That'll need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. If you have a financial background, though, John Deere is hiring. They have 8,100 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. John Deere is looking for a credit processing specialist. Now, please note this is remote, but you will be working for their division that is out of Iowa. And you do have to live in the United States. They do not sponsor any visas at this time, but they are really looking for somebody to review and audit their lending documentation, making sure it is complete and accurate. So, of course, John Deere, they sell all of these expensive lawnmowers, farm equipment, tractors, all the things. And so they do their on credit and they finance these things since they are such huge purchases. And so you are really reviewing the lending documentation, making sure it's timely, accurate, and that the dealers that are giving out these loans have thorough lease booking processes. So you're going to be working a lot with the dealers, and you'll help provide the lease specific assistance for the customers. So if they need to know anything specific about their lease, like how long is it, what are my monthly payments, when is it paid off, things like that, you're just going to do all of the review and processing of the lease and lending documentation. Now, while it doesn't specifically say it requires a degree, it says ideally they would like to have someone with a degree. So this is one of these that we prefer it, and you have a degree, you get to the top of the line for an interview. So if you have a bachelor degree in some kind of business management or finance, other than that, they're looking for somebody who has high attention to detail, somebody who has great customer service skills, somebody who can understand accounting fundamentals like debits, credits, things like that, can of course use computer systems like Microsoft Office products, and they want somebody who has at least 1 year or more working in some kind of a finance industry. Now, pay for this one starts at $47,520 a year and goes up to $71,280 a year. And next up, we have a Cash App hiring. Now, Cash App is a part of the bigger parent company, Block. Block owns not only Cash App, but Afterpay, Square, where you swipe on your mobile phone, where food trucks and stuff use Square for you to pay, things like that. They have 241 reviews with an overall rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. And they are looking for a content operations team lead. This is going to specifically be for the risk compliance and governance teams. And this is, of course, remote work from home. So as a team lead of this performance team, you are going to be responsible for the development of a team of content writers and process creators. So you're really overseeing the writing, the content that they're putting out, and the processes that they're creating. So you're really leading and measuring the success of the team of the content and process creators, making sure that you have ongoing coaching and mentoring sessions with them, just helping develop them into a better team. You'll guide the delegation of work, so you are really there to kind of supervise and delegate the work, setting those clear expectations so the work that needs to get done gets done in a timely manner. You are managing the content ticketing system. They use Jira Service Desk for their ticketing system to help review and share trends for areas of improvement for the people that you are kind of like leading and overseeing. But you're really owning the content strategy for the risk, compliance, and governance content teams. So this means you're going to create guides and scalable processes for the team to follow. You're going to be writing tutorials for them, creating onboarding materials, PDFs, guides, maybe even creating some instructional videos for them. Their standard operating procedures or SOPs that they're going to have to follow, and any templates that they may need. I know for the place I work, we send a lot of emails with the same kind of structure, so we have an email template that we fill out. So things like that, you are creating all of these documents for your team, including communicating the team's value and impact. Now, Cash App is not going to require any kind of college degree, but they are looking for somebody who has 4 or more years of experience in content or knowledge programs, somebody who has experience in people management or coaching experience. Maybe you've been a team lead, a supervisor, or something before. Somebody who has strong technical or product content creation experience. Somebody who has an understanding of risk assessment, risk management. And they do want somebody who has prior experience with managing audit trails or retention requirements. Above that, great communication skills, great people skills, and somebody who can kind of be a little bit analytical or data driven. But pay for this position is where it shines. Of course, where you are in the United States plays a huge role. They've broken it down into 4 zones. There is a resource linked if you want to see what zone the state you live in is in. The lowest pay for this job, though, is $108,200 a year, and it goes up to $202,800 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Just thought I'd do something a little bit different today, but of course, always feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.